Welcome to Background Marketing's Frequently Asked Questions, where we cover some of digital marketing's most debated issues to ensure that you, the business owner, have the tools to succeed in today's competitive online landscape. Today's question is, can you do your own SEO? Now, for more than 10 years, I've been working to figure out the answer to this question, and the answer I always come to is yes. Yes, you can do your own SEO. You can also stitch your wounds, redo the plumbing to your home, or rewire all the electrics in your house. While you can do these things on your own, these jobs shouldn't be taken lightly, because in every case, doing the wrong thing could have far-reaching consequences. The key to doing your own SEO comes down to your knowledge, how much time you're willing to put into learning, and experience. There are numerous online courses, both free and paid, that do a great job of teaching you the basics. But understand, it is just the basics you'll learn from these courses. SEO is about practical application. While many people know of a few algorithm updates like Penguin and Panda, which can significantly affect SEO, the reality is that Google updates their algorithm about 500 to 600 times per year. You see, SEO isn't just about ranking. It's also about monitoring, evaluating, testing, and predicting future trends. So while the answer to the question, can you do your own SEO, is yes, I wouldn't recommend it unless you have a lot of time on your hands, or you already know what you're doing. Hey, thanks for watching Background Marketing's Frequently Asked Questions. If you want the answer to other frequently asked questions just like this, then be sure to click the subscribe button below for instant notification.